Trucks Reviews and Tutorials video. Today, nice little simple one. I'm going to show you how to get under the engine cover of a BMW F30. This is actually a BMW F31, being a station wagon. Engine exactly the same. This is the 2-litre petrol engine with a turbo. You see the twin power turbo up the top. Underneath here, there are some things to access, such as your coils, and it's so easy to get off. A couple of rubber plugs and a couple of lugs up the back here. We basically grab this, no tools involved at all. Grab it at the front and lift like that. You see it comes up over the oil cap. Don't even have to take the oil cap off. If you've got an E83, this is a 1 Series BMW, you see you've got to take the oil cap off to get the engine cover off. Not so here. And then once you lift it up, it just pulls forward. Just comes out like that. Now I'll show you the tabs, what it is you're working with. See, there's a tab here which goes into a slot. There's a tab here that goes into a slot. And right there is the slot that it goes into. And there's another one that's further down in underneath. Now, this next bit of rubber here, that is just sitting on top. You see here the pins, this is where the rubber grommets clip for this cover. There's one there, there's one there, and there's one there. Okay, now this, again, just lifts off. That is a noise suppressant. And you see it's actually held in place by all of the little slots and so forth, that all of the indentations where everything fits in perfectly. In under here is your engine. You see where they have the engine cover on it. It's a little bit prettier with that nice cover on it. Oil filler cap. This is your PCV valve. I'll put a link to a video here to show you what these guys do, what that's all about. Sometimes you do have to clip that little cap off, hopefully without breaking the cap, and replace the little rubber valve inside. Here are your coils. Coils pull out very simply. You lift that up, that unplugs the electrical cord, and then you lift that up. I don't know how tight this is going to be. Yeah, you can just get a... Nope, here we go. There's the coil comes out. This is coil on plug, so the coil goes right down on top of the plug. So you look down there, you'll see your spark plugs. You can put a spark plugs banner and change your plugs, change your coils. It's all stuff you really can do quite easily yourself. So that's it basically. And now you see under there, that white thing at the back, that's what the plastic cover slides into. One there, and that's as easy as. So I'll put that coil back in and then we'll reverse the procedure. Just press that coil back down. If you look here, there's a couple of little metal guiding lugs here, and the coil has this little V piece on it. So that slips down, and that's how you know it's in the right position, and then pressing down. And then the wire, you want to put that wire on. You see the triangle shape on it. That just presses in. It doesn't go all the way, and then you slide the top over, and that actually slides it in the rest of the way. So there you go. That's perfect. That's what it looks like when it's correctly installed. This is the coil, and if you press on here, it won't go down any further, and that has gone down flat. If that's sticking up a bit, then you haven't got your plug in properly. So that's your coil back in, and then this, it just sits on top until it, see, it just goes into the right spot. It goes around the little catch here, making sure that you need to get it down under these catches at the back, because otherwise you're not going to get the engine cover in. So you make sure you can see both the catches. There is one down there. You've got to get your fingers right down the back and put it underneath. There it is. Okay. And then the engine cover, you line up these tabs. Line up this one, because this is the one we can see. Goes in, line that up. And the way to check if you got this is to lift it, to see if it's pivoting back there. Have I gone far enough? You look here at the oil cap, it's not in far enough yet. So you just wobble it. There we go. That just clicked in over the back. They're both now in. And here, when you're lined up, when you know it's right, just give it a whack, and that's done. She's back on. So engine cover off, engine cover on. And have a look. I've done another video for how to change the air cleaner.